Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 5090E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 540M quick attach front end loader. That is the heavier loader to fit these tractors. Tractor is just under 900 hours on it. Very nice, very clean tractor, as you can see here. Does have the global style hookup for your bucket quick attach. Bucket's in real nice shape. Does have the front grill guard on it. Work lights on the front and back of the cab. Front tires do show a little bit of wear. Certainly have quite a bit of life left yet. Back tires are in real nice shape. Does have 3 sets of rear wheel weights. And again, rear work lights back here. Dual remotes. Has 540 and 540E PTO. Drawbar and top link are both with the tractor. Inside the cab, very clean in here. Has the air ride seat for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand reverser here allows you to change direction without clutching. Has a 24-speed transmission. 3 ranges on the lever back here. 4 gears on this lever gives you a total of 12 speeds, and then with the power high-low, you've got 24 total speeds. The buttons there with the power high-low, that can be shifted without clutching. All your loader, hydraulic, PTO, 3-point controls all located directly to the right of the seat. And then up top you have the climate controls and radio. Tractor does have some remaining John Deere warranty that'll go right with the machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.